Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. Hey math stars, how are you? Well, we are ready for a new lesson, okay? And our lesson is Module 18, Lesson 2. All right, let's see what we're gonna learn. Yesterday, we did the numbers 11, 12, 13, and 14. Today, I can count and write numbers up to 15 and make a group of that many objects. All right, let's get started. Listen to the story. How can you represent the story? Write the number. How might you group the leaves? Neil takes a walk in the forest. Nell takes a walk in the forest. She collects 15 leaves. So how might you group the leaves? Well, what do you mean by that? Well, we've been doing a lot of 10 ones and more ones. So that's one way. That might be how you want to group it. Maybe you want to group it another way. That's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do rectangle. Maybe I'll do rectangles to represent leaves. Okay. And I love fall. So I am going to do orange leaves. Okay, she's going to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 leaves. She made a tall stack of leaves. And I have 10. We have to get to 15. So 10, let's count on from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go, 10. And how many is that? 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5 is 15. We write 15 like this. Oops. We write 15 like this. 1, 5. And the reason that we put a 1 and a 5 first is because this 10 stick, we have 1, 10, which is what this is right here, 1, 10. And we have 5 ones, which is that right there. So that's how we do 15. Now you could have grouped it in a different way, and that's okay. It's however you and your brain want to group them. All right, let's go to the next one. Here we go. Oh, here's our 10 frame. 10 plus how many ones are on the outside? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5 equals, let's see, let's start at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 and 5 is 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Very good. All right. You can pause this while you do that. All right. Oh, circle the group of objects that represents the number. So here we are. Circle the group of objects that represents the number 15. So we're going to count them. And remember, what do I recommend you do? What do I recommend you do when you're counting? Yeah, you count, you cross them off as you go. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Does that represent 15? Now, that doesn't mean you should just automatically circle this, because let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we can continue counting them on. Or do you know how to count by fives? Because look, there's the same amount in each row. Let's go. 5, 10, 15. Okay, so that's a fun way to count. But let's go ahead and count by ones. We're at 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Very good. All right. And so you would circle that one, right? Circle that. Okay, here we go. All right, number 3. Count how many and write the number. So let's go ahead, and because these are in a 10 frame, you don't need to cross them out. We already know it. The 10 frames filled up, so we start at 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How do you write that number? Here's the 10, so we start with a 1. How many ones? All right, 14. Let's count this. We start with 10, 11, 12. Can you write that number? Go ahead. Good job. Okay, say the number. What number is this right here? 13. Use a 10 frame to show 10 ones and some more ones. So what they want us to do here is they want us to draw some circles in the 10 frame to show 10 ones and some more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count up as we draw more. 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we stop at 13, right? So how many more did we have to draw? So we have 10. Oh, there they went and put the equal sign on the other side again. All right, but remember we learned yesterday that doesn't matter because 13 equals 10 plus 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 13 equals 10 plus 3. Very good. You can pause this if you need to while you're drawing those circles. All right, my friends, it's time for on your own. On your own. So what you're going to do is you're going to go find your homeschool teacher, right? And ask them to read you the questions here for this. And it's your chance to show them what a math star you are and how much you understand those numbers. Okay, great job. I'll see you tomorrow.